the next example in here for word problems involving angle of elevation, we're still using a picture on the Call of Duty mobile as an illustration. Right here, a player who is 5.8 feet tall is targeting an enemy on top of the building as shown in the picture. He fires a rocket-propelled grenade or RPG at the enemy in the building which is 25 feet tall. The player fires the RPG at 35 feet. On what angle of elevation did the player aim his target? Basically, these are the given. So we have here a player who is 5.8 feet tall and a building which is 25 feet in height, and as given in the situation, the player fired an RPG which is 35 feet away. And the question that is being asked in here is that what is the angle of elevation of the player who aimed at the enemy on top of the building? Okay, so we have different given values here. And as we know, this is the unknown, which is the angle of elevation. So still, we'll be deducting 5.8 feet from 25 feet on the height of the building because we are considering the relevance of the height of the player to the height of the building. Since we're only taking the normal line of sight of the player, which creates a horizontal line, and which is also perpendicular to the height of the building. Therefore, we must be reconsidering on deducting the height of the player to the height of the building, which is 25 feet minus 5.8 feet. So in our solution, we will be deducting 5.8 feet to the height of the building, which is 25 feet. So with that, this will become 19.2 feet. So we'll just write it down. This is 19.2. So if we're done deducting 5.8, we will get 19.2 feet. So those are the given. We have the angle of elevation, which is the unknown. So we have placed letter X as a representative for the unknown. And the opposite of X is 19.2 feet and the hypotenuse is 35 feet. Therefore, from our SOHCAHTOA, we'll still be using sine X is equal to 19.2 feet all over 35. So with that, it is clear that we're solving for the angle of elevation. So X should be equal to sine inverse or arcsine times 19.2 over 35. So if you are going to punch that in the calculator, that will be arcsine of 19.2 all over 35, which will be 33.27 degrees. So the value of X will be 33.27 degrees. If you want to round that off to the nearest tenths, that will be 33.3 degrees. So our angle of elevation is 33.3 degrees. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.